Alright, time to open up my Valentine's Day stuff for my fiance. So, first off, get the card. So, apparently her theme is Disney this year. So, box shots would be swell, in fact, it never misses. But the day just wouldn't be the same without some hugs and kisses. And I will not read anything else in case it's inappropriate. I don't want it on the camera, so. Or not YouTube friendly, I should say. Then I got stuffed animal with her picture at the park. I think that's Elizabeth Park.
Yep.
A snow globe. So.
Stuffed Mickey to be exact. Stuffed Mickey to be exact.
The stuffed, yeah, but it's in a globe. Got some Swedish fish. So, I don't know if I did a snacking video for that yet, so if I didn't, I will have those. Ooh, bottle caps. I haven't had these in a while, so I guess that'll be another snack time video. Swiss Army gear. Okay, apparently she's hinting I need a new wallet, so...
If you've seen it, you would understand why.
So...
Things fall apart.
And then, last but not least here, got some Angry Birds boxers.
Space?
Yeah, space. Some skulls and crossbone ones.
Which is hence where the bag came from.
Yeah. And, of course, some more regular Angry Birds boxers. So that's what I got from my fiance for Valentine's Day. I'm going to have to get use out of those.
Along with the candy that I got yesterday.
Yep, I got the warheads. So, that's it. We're now going to cut to what my fiance got for Valentine's Day.
So,
Alright.
Guess this is my Valentine's Day gift. And he taped it.
It should just pop up from there. So I have that size off.
Okay. Okay. Oh, so I open this first?
Mm-hmm.
Turn over. Hold here.
Yeah.
Hold there.
Put your thumb on like that. And then you pull the tab out slowly.
Oh boy. Ah! Ooh! Wonka Fun Dip. I love Wonka Fun Dip. Okay. Look at that. Beautiful little letter. Talking about his white and nerdy side. Totally white and nerdy too. Just saying. Okay, hold here. Pull.
Same one, like same way.
Are these two different things?
Yes.
Okay. Set this one down here. Because I told him he could always make me stuff. And he does sometimes. Aww. Put I love you very much on there.
Those are reusable envelopes too.
Ah. And then this one, do I have to hold anywhere in particular?
No, just pull it out. It's just folded so it would fit in there. Nope, just the outside. That's folded down. Just fold it, and there you go. Turn around. It's a heart with wings.
Oh, that's what it is.
Yes.
Okay, I thought it was something that was supposed to be undone.
No.
That is cute. I should put that in my room. And a whole lot of jelly lifesavers and jelly hearts, which is a good, really good snack. And more jelly hearts.
Those are sour ones, so
Okay.
I don't think they're that sour, but
Good. Hopefully not. Ooh, macadamia from the Japanese store or Chinese store and the mall. More fun dip. Sweet. Really bad for sugar, but they're just so good. Can't help it. And more fun dip.
yeah, you got a lot of that.
Not a bad thing.
No.
Then he's got my something back for my Skylanders Giants. So
Just the cover
okay.
for that.
Pocky, Almond Crunch Pocky, also from the Japanese store or Chinese store, whatever he is. Yummy. I'm a huge Pocky fan. And then my Sly Cooper Thieves in Time. I kind of knew this one because this was supposed to be my Christmas, and then it became my birthday, and then it became my Valentine's Day gift because I kept delaying it. A ring.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Tons of fun. That should last you for a while, so you can get to work first.
Yeah. And then a little cup. And a little stuffed animal in the cup. It's too cute. So that is what my Valentine's Day gift was. All this. So, thank you, dear.